This cooks standard frying omelet pan. Classic is a great addition to any kitchen. It has a hard anodized surface. This makes the pan very strong and long-lasting. The non-stick coating helps food slide off easily. So, cooking eggs and other dishes becomes simple. Cleaning up is also a breeze. You will spend less time scrubbing after meals. The 10.5-inch size is just right for many cooking tasks. It is perfect for making omelets, frying eggs, and sautéing vegetables. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This is because of its aluminum core. You won't have to worry about hot spots burning your food. The long stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch. It provides a comfortable and secure grip. This is important for safety in the kitchen. This cooks standard frying omelet pan. Classic is a versatile pan. It works on gas, electric, ceramic, and glass stovetops. However, it is not for induction cooktops. The pan is also oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This adds to its usefulness for different recipes. While it doesn't have a spout, pouring liquids is still manageable. Many users in the USA find this pan to be a reliable tool for their everyday cooking needs. And they often count it as a holiday kitchen favorite for preparing special dishes. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: harder than steel, even heat, no hot spots, non-stick, easy cleaning, healthier cooking. Cool handle, strong handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe. Cons: shows marks easily, hand wash needed, finish can wear, not very durable, uneven heating. Possible: handle may get hot, can feel heavy, food may stick slightly, lower quality non-stick. Features: Cook's standard brand, frying pan type, omelet pan use, classic series, hard anodized. Non-stick surface 10.5-inch size, sauté skillet, egg pan use, black color. This black 10.5-inch frying pan from Cook's standard is great for making omelets and sautéing food. It's part of their classic series and has a hard anodized surface, which makes it strong and long-lasting. The non-stick coating helps keep food from sticking, so it's easy to cook eggs and other things. This pan can be used on most stovetops, but not induction cooktops. It's also safe to put in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This Cook's standard omelet pan is made with a strong material that's harder than steel and heats evenly, so there won't be any spots that get too hot. It has a non-stick surface, which makes cooking and cleaning easier and can help you cook with less oil. The handle stays cool and feels strong. You can even put it in the oven. It's safe to wash in the dishwasher, but it might get marks, and the non-stick finish could wear down over time. Sometimes the pan might heat unevenly. The handle could get hot. It might feel a bit heavy, and food could stick a little. The non-stick might not be the best quality, so you might need to wash it by hand to make it last longer.